Hello everybody, this is Anjali Tarot and this is a love reading for this weekend from 23rd of April till 26th of April. We will see your partner's current feelings for you and what to expect from them till 26th of April, okay? So we will start with Aries. So Aries, your partner's current feelings for you right now. Your partner's current feelings for you, Aries. Okay, Seven of Swords. I feel like there will be some hidden truth that will come out to light this weekend, Aries. So I think there is something that your partner is hiding from you. Maybe they are hiding their feelings from you. Maybe they are hiding something very different from you that you never imagined of, or maybe they are hiding somebody else from you. This is the energy of self sabotaging as well. So maybe they are holding back and they are not revealing the true thinking, the true emotions of theirs to you. Okay, let's clarify what they are hiding from you, what is that truth that you should know. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. So there's something that will come out in light by the end of this weekend. Okay, so they are in confusion. I think they are playing with two people at the same time, to be very honest, Aries. I feel like your person is confused between two people or two situations right now. It could also mean that they are confused between yes or no, whether they should reach out or whether they should not reach out. If you guys are in separation, I feel like this person is very, very confused whether to talk to you or not. And but most of the cases, I feel like this person is kind of player and this person is having two people in their touch right now and they are hiding something from you and this truth will be revealed to you. Okay, this truth is coming out. Their feelings for you is like they are hiding something from you, or they are trying to hide something from you, but this truth will reveal, this truth will be revealed soon. And I feel like there are two situations, or there are two people that they are involved with, and this truth is coming out into light for you guys, Aries. Okay, so what to expect from them till the end of this week, till 26th of April? Oh my god, Three of Pentacles. I feel like they will reach out to you, they will talk to you, but there is third party situation involved in this situation. I feel like they will they will tell you something about this third party, or you get to know about this third party. But I feel like whenever they are going to come back to you or they are going to talk to you, they are going to reveal this third party to you by the end of this week. Okay, there's something that is going on behind the scene that you didn't know, but now you know this, and this person is also telling you this thing. What to expect from them is to like talking to you and telling you that there's someone else involved as well in this situation. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands. Okay, fine. So I feel like your person is walking away from the third party and they are coming towards you. They are ready to put in the effort with you because they are leaving the third party. In the Three of Pentacles as well, two people are together and the third one is going on. And in the Five of Pentacles as well, somebody is left in the cold and somebody is walking away. So what you can expect from this person is to leave the third party and come back to you and talk to you. Okay, this is what you can expect from this person, from your person, till the end of this weekend, till 26th of April. I know 26th April is Monday, but I consider it as extended version of the weekend. Okay, so yeah, so your person is hiding something from you, and their current feelings for you is they are confused. And what to expect from them is they are leaving the third party. They are leaving the third party situation, and they are coming towards you. Okay, by the end of this weekend, or by, you can say, 26th April. Okay, let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck. What's coming towards you? Okay, Boat. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on. Okay, so this is your card, Aries. Receiving what you need. Okay, I think you will get the clarity. You will get the clarity of this relationship about this particular person, Aries. This is a very good thing. If you get the clarity, there is no issue in moving on. Okay, I know it is hard, but it's going to be good for you in the long term future. So moving on to Taurus. Taurus, your partner's current feelings for you. Taurus, your partner's current feelings for you. Taurus, your partner's current feelings for you from 23rd till the 26th. Okay. Okay. Eight of Wands. Communication. They want to communicate with you. If there is no communication at all between you guys, Taurus, this person wants to communicate with you back and forth. They want open and honest communication. They want lots of hell lot of communication from you. Okay. I feel like this person is feeling nostalgic about you. They are feeling they should talk to you. I don't know whether they will reach out or not. We will check it. But all they want from you right now is communication. Okay, let's clarify this Eight of Wands. Temperance. Okay. I feel like your partner's current feelings for you is to have communication with you regarding their emotions, regarding the emotional imbalance that you both are going through. Okay, Taurus. I feel like there is an open and honest communication that is required from both the parties to balance out the emotions. I feel like there's lots of imbalance in this relationship, and that is why they want to talk to you. Okay, Taurus, to be very honest, I feel like you guys are not on the talking terms, maybe, and that is why this person wants to talk to you and communicate what kind of feelings they have for you, and they want to balance out this relationship. What to expect from this person till the 26th of April? What to expect from this person? Okay. Seven of Pentacles. This person is not coming towards you by 26th of April. I don't feel like this person is coming towards you. They are waiting for the right time to talk to you. Okay. All they are doing is waiting, just waiting for the right time to talk to you, Taurus. Okay. They are just holding back from for the time being. They will eventually come out, but I don't feel like they are coming towards you till the 26th of April. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. Yes. Okay, so although they have lots of love for you, although they care for you a lot, although they have lots of feelings for you, Taurus, but they are holding back. They are not coming towards you and telling you this thing because all they want is open and honest communication with you. They want to reach out, but they are just waiting for the right time to talk to you. Maybe there is something that is going on behind the scenes. Okay, that you maybe don't know. There's nothing to worry about the third party or there's some kind of, stupidity going on. No, but they are just waiting for the right time. Okay, maybe they are working on themselves, maybe working on their business or something. So let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck and see what's coming towards you till 26th of April. Okay. Wow, engagement ring, commitment, eternity, completion, union. Might be there's somebody else also in your life who is providing you this engagement ring, who is providing you some type of commitment. Okay, this is what is coming towards you according to the Love Oracle deck, according to the universe. There is some sort of commitment also coming your way from, but I feel like this is a different person and that is a different person. Might be you are dealing with two people at the same time, might be you know both of these parties, but somebody else is also coming towards you and they are offering you some kind of partnership or long-term commitment. Okay, that's up to you now. So moving on to Gemini. Gemini, your partner's current feelings for you. Gemini, partner's current feelings for you, Gemini. Strength, they are holding back. You might be dealing with a Leo and they are holding back a lot. Okay, they are not talking to you, Gemini. They might be not revealing you the truth. They might be not revealing you the true emotions that they have for you, Gemini. I feel like this person is holding back a lot and they are acting a little cold and off, Gemini, and you are feeling why this person is acting weird like this. I feel like this person is gathering all the courage of the world to do this thing. Okay, this is not a very easy thing to hold back from something that you know want to do in life. So let's clarify the strength, why they are holding back, why the strength card is here for Gemini, why the strength card is here for Gemini. Okay, Nine of Swords. The strength card is clarified by the Nine of Swords. What I feel is this person is very, very anxious. They are very, very stressed out. They are not in the zone of, talking to you right now. They are maybe stressed over something, or maybe they are very very stressed about you, so they are thinking a lot about you. They are going through a overthinking zone. That is why they are holding back right now. Their current feelings for you is right now of holding back, because they are feeling very very stressed out. They are feeling very very missed out and lost, and they are very very anxious about something in their life right now. That is why they are holding back. That is the reason they are holding back. Maybe they are stressed about you only, maybe they are stressed about something else, but that is making them hold back from you, maybe taking a little break from you. Okay, so what to expect from this person till 26th of April, Gemini? Right now they are holding back because they are very very anxious and overthinking and over analyzing everything. They're not able to sleep even, to be very honest, Gemini. But what to expect from this person till 26th of April? Lovers. This is the Gemini card, a decision coming towards you. If they are not talking to you right now, Gemini, there will be a decision that will be made till 26th of April, and they will reach out to you definitely, and they will talk to you. I feel like there's strong physical pull between both the parties, and I feel like this person is coming towards you with lots of love and passion, and they will tell you that eventually they will tell you that they want to talk to you and they love you. Okay, they want to be with you by this weekend. They will be with you and they will talk to you if you guys are not physically together. So let's clarify the lovers. Okay, the lovers is clarified by the Emperor. Yes, this is some kind of solid decision making coming towards you, Gemini. Loyalty coming towards you, commitment coming towards, because the Emperor is a very loyal and honest person. He looks like he's very adamant and rude, but he's a very loyal person. He know what he wants and he works on that. So expect them to come towards you by this weekend, by 26th of April, and they will make a decision to stay with you, to be committed to you in the long term. Okay, Gemini, this is what is coming towards you by 26th of April. Let's pull the card from Love Oracle deck and see what the universe wants to tell you about this situation right now, about your love situation. Okay, Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. The Phoenix, new phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth. See, I told you there's a decision coming towards you, and this is the Phoenix. There will be a rekindling in this relationship. Okay, there's a new transformation, new phase starting with this particular person. So, congratulations, Gemini. I hope this will work out good for you. Okay, so moving on to Cancer. Cancer, Cancerians, your partner's current feelings for you. Cancerians, your partner's current feelings for you. Cancerians, your partner's current feelings for you. Six of Pentacles. So your all your partner wants is equal give and take in this relationship, Cancer. So all they want is they feel like what they are giving to you, they want to take it back as well. Okay, so equal give and take is there from their side. They want to spend time with you. They want to spend quality time with you. They want to spend their beautiful memory, create beautiful memories with you. So whatever it is, your partner right now, Cancer, is in this zone of equal give and take, and they are ready to participate in this relationship as much as they can, because they feel like this relationship is developing into something very very beautiful. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. This is equal give and take energy. This is very beautiful energy. Wheel of Fortune. So this Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune. I feel, Cancer, now the tables are turning in your favor. Now this person is also giving you this energy that they were pulling back before, that they were not giving to you before. So now your person is happily with you, and they are putting in the effort, putting in the energy that is required for this relationship to work out, Cancer. Maybe you were hoping this from this particular person from a long time. Now the tables are turning in your favor, because the Wheel of Fortune is the table turning in your favor, and this person is now ready for this equal give and take, and that is what their current feelings are. They are ready for the equal give and take. Okay, so what to expect from them till 26th of April? Okay, the Star coming towards you, very very hopeful, very very positive, or maybe they are healing from some kind of a bad phase or trauma or something like that. but they are definitely coming towards you and they're talking to you. They are very, very hopeful and positive about this particular relationship with you, and they are in this healing zone right now. But they feel like there's equal give and take. Yes, the star is also here, so there are two ports of water, so both are, on equal level, so it is kind of equal give and take from their side. Okay, you can expect equal time management, equal love talks, equal communication. So there is everything that is on equality about this particular relationship with this person. Let's clarify the star. Nine of Wands. I feel like I told you this person is healing from something, but they are very, very hopeful that there is something that will work out eventually. Because I feel like in the past they were very guarded because they were hurt from the past situation, because they were feeling like this is not going to work out. Maybe they were holding back from you a lot because they were feeling like this person is also going to hurt me eventually, and that is why their guards were up and they were not talking to you. But trust me, now they are going to talk to you. Now they are ready. Now they are healing from that particular past person, and now they are going to open up, and you guys will have a very, very beautiful relationship by 26th of April. Okay, okay, Cancerians. Let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys, Cancer. What's coming toward you? The Sword and Rose. Clarity, truth, honor, protection, power. See, the clarity is coming towards you. The truth is coming towards you. Now this person is ready to be with you. Okay? Okay? Good. So happy for you, Cancerians. After so long, you guys are now finally getting positive readings. Okay, so moving on to Leos. 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 Your partner's current feelings for you, Leos. Your partner's current feelings for you. Feelings for you. Lots of S are there, okay? So, Leo. Nine of Cups. Wow. Your partner sees you as a wish fulfillment. They feel like you are their wish fulfillment. They see you as their love of life. They see you as their family. They see you as you are somebody who's very loving and caring, and you can be a father or mother to their children, okay? So your partner feels that you are their wish fulfillment. This is a very beautiful card, Leo. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. Why is it here? Okay, so the Nine of Cups is clarified by the Page of Cups. Wow. Leo, I feel like your person was holding back a lot from you. Now they see you as their fulfillment. Now they see you as your long-term partner because they are developing new beautiful feelings for you. They want to tell you that they love you. They are developing new beautiful feelings for you, and these feelings are growing stronger and stronger each day. And this is a very beautiful energy that they are feeling towards you, Leo. Okay. So right now your partner sees you as a wish fulfillment of theirs, and they have something developing in their heart and soul. They have feelings for you. Now they have new feelings for you or newish feelings for you. Okay, and this could also be somebody who's a new partner, who's somebody new coming in towards you and telling you that they love you. Okay, but for most of the people, I feel like this is some past person you are connected with, and this person sees you as a wish fulfillment, and they have strong beautiful new feelings for you now. Okay, these are immature feelings. Okay, they are just right now also they are juggling, like they are processing what kind of feelings are they, but trust me, they are developing these beautiful feelings for you. Okay, what to expect from them till 26th of April? Ten of Swords, the worst is over. I feel like your person is feeling like backstabbed by you. They are feeling like you are betraying them, or you are doing something behind their back that is not making them any kind of, that is not making them happy at all. They are feeling sad about it. They are feeling like you betrayed them, and this is something that is uh, making them very, very sad. But the thing is, this feeling is worst. This feeling of betrayal is ending of the worst, because the 10 is starting of something big, something new, because number 10 is ending and a brand new beginning. So I feel like this feeling will go away eventually by 26th of April. Why they are feeling like this? Why they are feeling backstab? Let's clarify. Five of five of wands. I feel like this person is feeling like this relationship is a big time conflict, and that is why if they are coming towards you, they will fight with you a lot, because I feel like this person is feeling like backstabbed by you. You betrayed them in the past, or at least they are feeling that you betrayed them. I don't feel like you betrayed them, but they are feeling like that you betrayed them. Okay, so what to expect from them? If they are coming towards you, so they are going to fight with you, Leo. There's lots of conflicts. There's lots of ifs and buts and what if and all that bullshit coming towards you. Lots of hell lot of drama coming towards you, and hell lot of fights coming towards you by 26th of April. But trust me, this person is fighting with you because they have feelings for you. This person is fighting with you because they want to tell you that they love you, but they are not able to tell you this. I don't know why. Okay, there's something going on in their mind and in their heart that feels like shit to them. They are feeling like you are, might be they are feeling like you are dealing with somebody else as well, and that is why they are behaving weird with you. Okay, so they are coming towards you, but they are fighting with you because they love you. This is the situation, Leo. Okay, and let's pull one card from this love oracle deck. What's coming towards you? Okay, oops, your message. Just give me a second. Okay. The dragonfly. Be light-hearted, finding out things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Leo, this is the message from the universe to you. Be light-hearted, okay? Be light-hearted, be open to new situation, new people, and heal, adapt, things coming to light. This is what is happening, Leos. Fine, Leos, this is all about your partner's feelings and their what to expect from them. They're going to fight with you because they love you. This is a weird situation, right? I know. So let's move on to Virgo. Leo. After Leo, we have Virgo. So Virgo. Yay, light just came back. Thank you. Thank you so much, universe. So Virgo, your partner's current feelings for you. Your partner's current feelings for you. Virgo, your partner's current feelings for you. Holding back. Right now, your partner is waiting for something to happen. They are just waiting for the right time to talk to you. They are holding back. Okay. Virgo, right now, your partner is feeling like they should hold back from you. They should not talk to you for the time being, or they should wait for the right time to talk to you. Okay. That is what is happening. Why this Seven of Pentacles is here, universe? Why this Seven of Pentacles is here? The world. Okay. I feel like the Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the world. I feel like your person feels like this relationship is over, or there is a cycle that is completed in this relationship, and they have to start all over again with you. They have to start with you from scratch, and that is why right now they are trying to hold back as much as possible, because they are just waiting for the right time to talk to you, Virgo. So that is your partner's current feelings for you. They want to, for the time being, they want to hold back. For the time being, they want to work on themselves, or maybe they want to, heal themselves and then come back to you. Maybe let's clarify. Let's see what to expect from your person, Virgo, till 26th of April. What to expect from this person till 26th of April? Page of Swords. They are just watching you. They are just spying on you. They are watching your every move, Virgo. They are seeing what you are doing. They are seeing you on Instagram or Facebook, or any kind of social media that you are on. So basically, your person is spying on you, and they are not coming towards you. Maybe if they're coming towards you, they're not going to talk to you much about this relationship or their feelings. Okay, why the Page of Swords is there? Basically, they're spying on you till the 26th of April, heavily spying on you, I must say, because they're watching your every move. They are watching what you are doing, okay, Virgo? So be a little cautious as well, I must say, because sometimes people are kind of dramatic as well. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords. Justice, okay. You could be dealing with a Libra, okay? So Virgo. So I feel like this person is spying on you and they will serve justice to this relationship. They will finally talk to you. They will talk to you about this particular relationship with you, all that happened in the past, all that is happening right now, all that they want to plan with you in the future. So eventually this communication will come and they will get the mental clarity to talk to you. They will eventually get the mental clarity of about how things should go in this relationship with you, Virgo, how things should be in a relationship with you. Okay, so there's a communication coming in, but they're spying on you as well, and the justice will be served. There will be something that will be served to you. Maybe you guys are going through a legal battle, maybe you guys are going through a separation or something, but this is going to be in your favor, Virgo. Okay, so let's pull one card as an advice from the Love Oracle deck for you guys. So yeah, they're spying on you, but all they want to do is to do justice with this relationship with you in the long term, because they feel like the cycle is completed with you and they want to make things clear with you. Okay, caffeine. Okay, endings brings new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, transition. Yes, I told you this person feels like there's something that is completed in this relationship and now they want a clarity. Now they want to liberate you or give you that, freedom that you desire. Okay, Virgo. So moving on to Libra. Libras. So, Libra, your partner's current feelings for you, Libra. Your partner's current feelings for you. Libra's partner's current feelings for them. There's lots of S going on, right? I got confused sometimes. My God. So yeah, Libra. Okay. Oh, Ace of Cups. New partner coming in towards you, new person coming towards you, new love offer coming towards you, Libra. Somebody is telling that they love you so much. Okay, this could also mean a past person coming to you and revealing their true feelings to you, or there could be somebody new coming in towards you and they are in love with you. They are trying to offer to you something very, very beautiful. This is Ace of Cups. So Ace of Cups is a beautiful brand new coming in, a brand new relationship starting. Or if you are with if the past person is coming to you, if there's somebody from the past, or if you are already in a relationship, so this person is coming towards you with a brand new beginning, with the offer of a brand new beginning in love. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Cups. This is a very beautiful energy coming towards you, Libra. I don't know if you are taking this or not, but your partner feels a lot of love towards you, lots of overwhelming feelings for you. Okay, clarifying the Ace of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Your partner, I feel like your partner was confused. Okay, they were juggling between whether they are in love with you or not, whether they should, you know, tell you this or not, whether they should talk to you or not. So they were going through a lot of confusion. For right now, your partner's feeling is that they love you, they are in love with you, deeply in love with you, and they have overwhelming emotions for you. Okay, Libra. So I feel like now they are coming from the confusion and now they chose love over hatred, or they chose you over somebody else. Okay, so this is something very, very beautiful that they are feeling for you right now, Libra. But to expect from this person till 26th of April, I feel like this is brand new person coming in towards you with the, lots of love, with lots of emotions. Because in the past, I feel like they were confused, but now they are ready to have this new beginning with you. Okay, but to expect from this person till 26th of April. Ten of Swords, the worst is over. The worst is over from their side. They felt like this is the worst thing that is happening with you, with both the parties or with them, because I felt like there was distance in this relationship, or there was something that is going on behind their back that they didn't like. But now this is kind of energy that the worst is over. They're coming towards you because now they are feeling liberated. Now they are feeling, yes, uh, yes, I can go to my person now, I can talk to my person now. So sometimes it is holding back as well because they are feeling like you backstab them or you betrayed them in any manner. But let's clarify. Yes, King of Pentacles. See, this person is feeling now that the worst is over, the worst feelings are over, the stupidity is over. Now they want to offer you something very, very stable and solid. Now they want to offer you a committed relationship. Now they want to offer you a stable and honest relationship. The King of Pentacles is the highest form of stability that I can deliver to anybody. So it is like this person is coming towards you, Libra, with a solid love offer, because they are having a lot of emotions for you, and now they are ready to, bring it on the table and talk to you about this relationship openly, and you know uh, provide this pentacle to you, provide this relationship to you, provide this stability to you, long term commitment to you. Whether you take it or not, it is your free will, but is there something beautiful coming in towards you, Libra? Okay, so let's see what the universe wants to tell you. Okay. Okay, endings bring new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, transition. I feel like you are going through some kind of painful ending, and this will bring you some kind of beautiful new beginnings in your love life. Okay, if you can see it. So, Libra, congratulations. So happy for you guys. Okay, so let's move on to Scorpio. Scorpio, your partner's current feelings for you. Scorpio, your partner's current feelings for you. Your partner's current feelings for you, Scorpio. Your partner's current feelings for you. Six of Swords. They are feeling like this relationship is now moving towards calmer water or calm phase, or there's a peaceful resolution to this relationship that is now happening. So there's basically, you guys are moving towards a beautiful future together. Now this is the calmness after the storm. So I feel like you guys are fighting a lot, or you guys had lots of issues in the past. Now these issues are getting resolved, and now they are like very peacefully they are handling things, and now they are ready to move with you towards a better future, towards a beautiful future that is calm and beautiful and peaceful. Okay, so there is some kind of peaceful resolution that happened to you guys. Okay, so this person is feeling like now much more calmer, much more at peace with you. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords. Three of Swords. So I feel like this person is moving towards a peaceful resolution with you, because in the past this person was very sad and broken. They felt like you broke their heart, Scorpio. They felt like there's some kind of sadness and grieving going on in this relationship. So I feel like this person is healing, and right now they are feeling like by communicating with you, by having a open and honest conversation with you, now they are feeling like this particular relationship is moving towards a beautiful phase, a calmer phase, a peaceful phase. Okay, that is what your person is feeling for you right now. What to expect from your person till 26th of April? What to expect from your person till 26th of April? Okay, what to expect from your person? Five of Pentacles. I feel like this person will try to walk away from you, or you will try to walk away from them. Okay, so I feel like this person is feeling like you left them in the cold, or you left them in in some messy situation, or you left them when that was not required. So basically your person is right now trying to walk away from you, okay, by 26th of April. Although they're feeling like the situation is moving towards calmer water, but still your person is feeling like walking away from the situation. Maybe for the time being they want to take a break, because things were going really heavy between you guys. Okay, so let's clarify the Five of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, Strength. You might be dealing with a Leo. So your partners, what to expect from your partner till 26th of April? It is like they are trying to walk away and they are holding back. They are not going to tell you anything about their emotions. They're not going to reveal anything emotionally to you. They're not going to tell you that they love you or something like that. But they are just trying to walk away from this situation, because I feel like this is the way they deal with painful situations. Okay, Scorpio. So basically, right now your partner is holding back, and they're trying to walk away from you by 26th of April because they felt heartbroken and sad over you in the past, in the recent past. Okay, so I don't feel them coming towards you and telling you. Might be they're talking to you. It is not like you guys are not on the talking terms, but they're not revealing their true feelings, and they are just slowly and steadily they are just trying to walk away from you, Scorpio. Okay, so let's see what the universe have for you. Yeah. So universe is not today. Not dealing, hurt, avoiding conversation, boundaries, still angry. This is what is going on between you guys. Okay, Scorpio. Not today. So by 26th of April, I don't see any kind of progress between you guys. Let's hope for the best in the future. Okay, Scorpio. So after Scorpio, we have Aquarius. Okay, let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you, Aquarius. Your partner's current feelings for you, Aquarius. Holding back. Your partner is holding back right now, Aquarius. They are not telling you anything. They are not saying anything to you. Might be you guys are not at the talking term at all. Might be you guys are not talking to each other at all. But your partner's current feeling for you is holding back. They just want to hold back for the time being. They are just holding everything. They are just trying to control everything, and they are just holding everything so tightly that they are not able to release anything, and they are in mess right now. Aquarius, okay? So your partner is not saying anything to you, to be very honest. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. Why is it here? Nine of Cups. So I feel like your partner is holding back from you and they're not talking to you because you are their wish fulfillment. This is kind of weird reading I got. Oh God. So I feel like your partner might be waiting for the right time to talk to you or right time to emote their emotions to you. So basically, I feel like your partner is holding back for the time being and they see as their wish fulfillment, but still they are holding back and they might be waiting for the right time. Okay, this is their feelings for you. All they see you as their wish fulfillment. Aquarius, this is a funny reading. I'm sorry. So all they see you as their wish fulfillment, Aquarius, still they are holding back. Okay, this is their current feelings for you and what to expect from them till 26th of April. Okay, what to expect from them. Oh, Ten of Cups. Yay, they're coming towards you and giving you a solid, loving, committed offer. They are, trying to have a beautiful family with you because they are going from Nine of Cups to Ten of Cups. So basically, you are their wish fulfillment, and they are coming towards you, Aquarius, and you guys will be having a very beautiful time with the family. Okay, you guys will enjoy the family life, enjoy this beautiful phase of renewed feelings of commitment and loyalty. Okay, clarifying the Ten of Cups, Two of Pentacles. So they are coming towards you and they are offering you something after they had lots of confusion about you, after they had lots of ifs and buts with you or about you in the recent past. So basically they are coming back towards you. They are coming to you and they are offering you something very, very beautiful. They are offering you a solid commitment, a solid family commitment, a long-term commitment, Aquarius. So be ready for this beautiful energy coming towards you by 26th of April, Aquarius. Right now they're holding back just because they are just waiting for the right time, maybe. Okay, so let's pull one card what the universe wants to tell you. Paradise, happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, enjoying each other. Wow, Aquarius, this is a very beautiful energy. I told you, you guys are going to be together, or if not physically together because of COVID thing, you guys will be, talking to each other a lot, lots of lovey-dovey sharing and caring going on. Okay, so Aquarius, this is a very beautiful energy. Congratulations. Yay. Okay. Uh, Now moving on to Sagittarius. So, your partner's current feelings for your Sagittarius. Partner's current feelings for your Sagittarius. Your partner's current feelings for you, Sagittarius. Give me one more shuffle, please. Nine of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is right now working on themselves only, Sagittarius. They are not talking to you, maybe, or they are not talking to you that much deeply that they should. So they are right now working on their own projects, on beauty, on personal development, on healing. Right now, your partner is focused on themselves only. Right now, I don't feel like they are in this lovey-dovey and love zone. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Oh, yes, definitely. Because the Nine of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. They are busy making money. So your partner is right now busy making money. They are right now busy working on themselves. They are right now busy on their own beauty, own personal growth, own healing. So basically, might be they are taking a break from you, Sagittarius, and they are just focused on themselves for the time being. And their feelings for you right now is they just want to be focused on themselves right now. They just want a break from you, maybe they just want time alone, work on themselves. What to expect from your partner till 26th of April? Page of Wands, communication coming in. Communication, definitely communication coming in towards you, Sagittarius, and they are going to talk to you. Maybe they are doing this being alone shit from a long time, and now they want to communicate with you. Open and honest communication coming towards you. A beautiful, passionate, communication coming towards you because the page is immature energy. They don't know what they want to talk to you about, but they definitely want to talk to you, and they are going to talk to you eventually. They are going to communicate with you. There's some kind of message or happy news or some kind of email or some kind of call coming in from them, from their side. Let's clarify the Page of Wands. The Hermit. I feel like after a long time of introspection and after taking a long time alone, now they are ready to communicate with you. Now they are ready to know, have a conversation with you about this relationship, maybe, or in just as normal as a friend. But they are coming towards you with a lot of passionate energy and lots of communication coming in towards you. Okay, by 26th of April, 20 Sagittarius. Okay, so one card for Sagittarius, please, from Love Oracle deck. Empath and narcissist paradigm, being charmed or used, enable boundaries. I feel like you should enable some kind of boundaries with this particular person. That is the universe, that's what the universe wants to tell you. Okay, if you can see it clearly. So you should put some boundaries, Sagittarius, in this relationship with this particular person. I feel like this person is coming when they want, and they are leaving when they want. And I feel like you're not doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing, right? So you must do anything, something about this. Okay, so let's moving towards Capricorn. Capricorn, your partner's current feelings for you. Capricorn, your partner's current feelings for you. Capricorn, your partner's current feelings for you. Okay. Two of Pentacles, very, very confused. Capricorn, your partner is very confused about you. They might be juggling between two people, or they might be juggling between yes or no, or they might be juggling between two type of situations, whether they should be in a committed relationship with you or not, or whether they should, move forward with this relationship or not. So right now, your partner is so confused about you, Capricorn, to be very honest. Okay, so let's clarify the Two of Pentacles, because Two of Pentacles is very, very confusing energy. Wherever there is two number, there is always confusion. Okay, so let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. Okay, conflict. They are confused because there is lots of internal conflict going on in their mind, in their soul, in their heart. So your partner is right now confused about you because they are feeling like there's lots of conflict going on in this relationship. Inner conflict may be going on in this relationship with this particular person. So I feel like your partner will be in a confusing energy. They are going to give you mixed signal, Capricorn. Okay, right now it might be they are giving you mixed signals. Sometimes they are, yeah, very hopeful and positive, yes. Sometimes they are very negative and saying no constantly. So they are confused about this relationship, about you. Okay, what to expect from your partner, Capricorn, from today till 26th of April? Six of Cups. Coming towards you, coming back to you. Maybe you guys are right now in a long distance relationship. So maybe you guys are meeting in personal, or you guys are getting, getting to talk to each other a lot. So whatever it is, they are going to feel nostalgic and they are coming back towards you, because this is a reconciliation card. So basically, your partner will decide to stay with you. Okay, eventually they will come out of this conflicting zone, and they will, start to realize that yes, you guys have lots of memories together, you guys have lots of love together. So now they want to stay with you, because I feel like you have a past life connection with this person. These are all spiritual kind of hell, right? I am telling you. So don't you get confused about this. So it's like you guys have memories together, and that is why they are coming back to you. They are feeling nostalgic. They are missing you a lot, and that is why they are coming towards you. This could also be a past person, a long lost friend, or a long lost person that is coming towards you and talking to you. Okay, so let's clarify. The Tower, yes. This is kind of sudden realization. Capricorn, this is kind of sudden realization that they miss you. They have a lot of feelings for you. That this is kind of sudden realization, and they are just coming back towards you and they are talking to you. Okay. So they will be in the state of, now I am confident about this particular relationship. Now I want to be with you, because there is sudden realization coming towards them, and they will eventually talk to you and they will feel nostalgic and they will miss you, and that is why they will talk to you. Okay, Capricorn? Fine. So one card from the Love Oracle deck for Capricorn till 26th of April. Okay. Heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, feeling lost. I feel like you might say no to this person after they come back to you. I don't know. So this is the you can say warning or advice from the universe to you, Capricorn. Okay, fine. So let's move on to Pisces. Pisces, your partner's current feelings for you, Pisces. Your partner's current feelings for you, Pisces. Page of Swords. Spying on you. They're spying on you, and they are trying to gain the mental clarity. They are trying to manipulate you, maybe, Pisces. They are playing mind games right now. They are, they are not working with their heart. They are working with their mind. So basically, they are spying on you. They are watching your every move. They are trying to see what you are doing, and they are trying to analyze as well, whether this relationship is based on true emotions or true feelings, or it's just a physical thing, or it's just a physical attraction, or it's just a normal, mental connection that you guys have together. So right now your person is gaining the mental clarity. They are in the zone of gaining the mental clarity about you, about this relationship. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords. Three of Wands. I feel like they turned their back from you, Pisces, in the past, or they were gone for some time, or they took a break from this particular relationship for some time. Now they are ready to, now they are gaining the mental clarity about you. Now no, now they're spying on you. They are watching your every move, and they are feeling like, yes, now I'm ready, whether to say yes or no to this relationship, whether to go in this relationship or not. So Pisces, let's see what to expect from this person till 26th of April. So they're heavily spying on you, Pisces, to be very honest. They are watching your every move. Okay, and right now they're turning their back towards this relationship. Maybe they're not talking to you, but they're spying on you. Okay, so what to expect from this person till 26th? Judgment, reconciliation. They are coming back towards you. They will reconcile with you. They will judge this relationship with every angle. They are ready to give this relationship a second chance, or you a second chance. Okay, so they want to give this relationship a second chance. Maybe this relationship was not working out in the past. Now they are ready to, put in the effort, put in the energy, and give this relationship a second chance, because Judgment card is always a second chance card for me, and the Judgment card is also a kind of reconciliation card for me. So let's clarify the Judgment. Yes, Six of Cups. I feel like this person is ready to give this relationship a second chance because you guys had a past connection. You guys had a history. You guys have a history together. You guys have lots of memories together. I feel like you guys respect each other a lot. That is why this person wants to give this relationship a second chance and work on it. Okay, so they are coming back towards you because they are feeling very, very nostalgic. They are missing you on some level and they are coming back towards you and giving this relationship a second chance if this relationship was not working out in the past. Okay, so let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck, what the universe wants to tell you till 26th of April. Okay. Dragonfly. Be light-hearted, finding out things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Okay, Pisces. Be light-hearted, things coming to light, adapt and change and heal. This is your advice from Love Oracle deck. So I hope I have completed all the zodiac signs. All signs collective. Let's see the advice from the universe for all the signs collectively. What you guys should follow till 26th of April. Moving towards calmer water, heal yourself, wait for the right time. Don't spy on your partners and just wait for the right time. Waiting, waiting, waiting. The waiting game is over. The waiting game is on. I'm sorry. So all signs collective is your energy basically is moving towards calmer phase, moving towards calmer, peaceful resolution, and you guys are definitely moving towards a beautiful, beautiful and sweet kind of soft kind of energy in the near future. Okay, and I feel like you guys should heal yourself. I think everybody, every zodiac sign, this is collective for every zodiac sign. So you guys should heal the pain before starting something new, starting something brand new. You should heal from the past pain because four of swords to me is heartbroken and then the new start. So basically I feel like you should heal from the past trauma, past past fights or past conflicts before coming towards and having a brand new start. Wait for the right time, just wait for the right time, just heal, just wait for the right time for things to develop and then only proceed further. And then page of swords energy is telling me that you guys should gain the mental clarity. Okay, you guys should gain the mental clarity and you should stop spying on anybody and you should stop following anybody else. Just stop and heal yourself and wait for the right time, and everything will fall into place eventually. And this is a three of wands card. The last card for you or all of you guys is a three of wands card. Your ship is coming, just be patient. Everything is coming at divine timing to you, so be patient and be loving towards you. Heal yourself, do some shadow work, do some healing, or if you can't do anything, just do meditate and walk in nature. Okay, so this is a journal love reading till 26th of April from 23rd of April. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your participation on my channel, and thank you so much for the first 500 subscribers that I got just yesterday, that I reached. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much. Gratitude. Keep subscribing. Keep loving me. Namaste.